up here in a deep ravine south side of Red Mountain, one of the old 1880s mine sites, and lots of drift mines around here, but I just had to video this. This is one of the biggest cuts that I've ever seen in a drift mine area. It's got to be a good 30 feet high. Just a solid cut. And into the iron seam right here. Probably the best example I've ever seen. The miners just chopped this back then. It's perfect. Squared out V right there. Looks like a drill hole up top in that one right there. It's got the crack in it. Yeah, that's a drill hole. But this is pretty incredible. And this little opening right here could have been a drift mine, which most likely it was. And after over 100 plus years, you know, sediments just come down from the rain, covered it up. But this is incredible. All right. Another series of drift mines here, but looking back on this, yeah, that's another drift mine opening right there. So there's more over there. All right, pretty impressive. I mean, wow, really, what a cut. Okay. Okay, I was over there where that big cut is. Crossed down to the ravine. And this is one of the big drift mines right here, going back to the early 1880s. And looks like part of it's still open. It's pretty impressive. And I took a look in there. That's so much fog and everything, you can't even humidity, you can't even get a good look. So just do a video from out here. But this is impressive. So, all right, and little tramway carts handling the ore would have gone straight out here, been dumped on down a chute into some more ore carts, taking it down to a loading dock. So, don't have any information about this mine site. Need to do some research on it. Not sure what the name of it was, or who owned it back in the day. So, all right. Okay, got that big cut right over there. And this is another drift mine right here. This would have been the tramway cart right here, rail cart, rails right here, and this is a perfect drift mine right here. And they just cut this out and went straight in. I looked in there, you can see back quite a ways, but it's so wet and muddy, foggy in there. I'm not going to try to go inside. So anyway, this dates back to probably the early 1880s, maybe even the mid 1880s right here. All right, it's a nice shot of the drift mine there. And down below, back in the day, they would have had an ore chute, or a, I can't remember, like a thing to tip the ore carts over, and the rail bed would have been down there, and it would have taken the ore straight on down to the loading dock. So, okay.